Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and then open your profile that is located at the bottom side of your screen, and then in the top right corner you should see these three horizontal lines. This is the menu. Then go to settings and privacy. Here enter privacy section and scroll down until you see blocked accounts. And basically find the account that you want to unblock and tap unblock button. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.